still in here? Hello? Hello? Anything? Anyone? Okay, I was pretty sure I heard a noise. Oh my gosh, that scared me. Whoa, that scared me. Hey, Mr. Rooster, what you doing out there? Cruising, Mr. Rooster. Get out of my house. Shoo. Go. Shoo. Shoo. Are you kidding me? Another one? Oh. Stop biting. No biting. Bad chicken. No. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Don't kill me. That's right. I really don't think he'd like that I touched her. I'm just gonna walk over here, Mr. Rooster. Oh my gosh. No. 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 I'm just gonna go over. Get out! Leave! Shoo! 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 Yeah, shoo! Shoo! See my shoe? Eat it! Eat the shoe! No? Oh, okay. I'll just go to my car.